we're gonna run through a little tutorial to measure a window in the event of you wanting to create window treatments or treat the inside or frame the window with any sort of panel. So the first thing I would need to do is an overall measurement of the window outside of trim to outside of trim. So we'll pull these back and measure outside to outside. And then we will measure from the floor to the bottom of the trim. And then from the ceiling all the way to the flat of your ceiling, above the crown to the top. You'll probably have to have some assistance reading because I can't even see the ankle. The other measurement we would need in the case of doing panels and a rod is the distance from the bottom of your crown molding to the top of the window trim so that we can locate the height for this rod. It also would determine the length of your panels. Another window treatment scenario would be an inside mount Roman shade. In that case, I would need the measurement from inside of the trim to the inside. This is a twin window, but it would be the same for a single or a triple. It's always a good thing to measure every single window, even though you assume all these measurements are the same. But sometimes the application of trim is not always the same. It may be off by a couple of 1/16 of inches, but that is important for the fabricator to know. The other measurement in the event of panels that would be important is the measurement from the corner of the room or to the next closest interruption to the outside of the trim. Just in the event of if you wanted your panels to fully function and close over the window, your stack back is what we call this when it's pulled all the way back. If it's a larger window, the stack back obviously the window requires more fabric, so you have more stacking when it's open. So I would need, if it's going to interrupt or hit anything, I would need to know the measurement for the next interruption past the window. And that's it.